Hello, I am Wemke, and together with Michael, I think we made a very lovely, interesting hot plate course for you.
Hi, I'm Michael. We want to help you learn techniques, learn how to build a painting and show you how you can apply those techniques on small cards or use them in bigger cards if you have a larger hot plate. And Wemke and I work in quite different styles, so you'll get a quite different perspective of techniques throughout this hot plate course.
Michael is very good in abstract work, patterns, marks. He's an excellent teacher in telling you step by step how to build up a landscape, a fantasy landscape. I like to work more intuitively. What arises and how can you transfer that into a painting? When is a painting finished? In this course we work with the Hotplate Compact and the bigger A2 electric hot plate.
There are three main working sections within this course. The first one is the wax block colours themselves, how to apply the colours, how they can be used to mix, to tool and pattern the colours once they're on. So application and tooling with wax blocks. Our second section is using tissue to both move and remove the wax colours, as well as patterning, as well as cleaning. It's all very useful. And so the third main teaching section involves rollers. These are fantastic tools for our encaustic hot plate work. There are actually 5 sections, each with videos which begin simply and grow in detail to teach you carefully all that you need to learn.
And after each video you will find a study focus. That is an ebook with a lot of extra information and also explaining the video techniques, the key points. We encourage you with art assignments to build on your encaustic skills, to build on your confidence, something that makes you grow in your artwork. And at the end of each section there is an art gallery with lots more inspiration for you. We try to teach you as much as we can in this hot plate course. Please enjoy your encaustic hot plate journey.
We look forward to welcoming you and to seeing how you succeed and grow, how your own expressions take over from the techniques that we are revealing to you. Discover Hotplate today.